Lots of WordPress sites still have the default favicon. Let's change that. My name's Andy, I am the Code Rebel, and I'm going to very quickly walk you through changing the favicon in WordPress sites. This is going to be the fastest video ever. Fade, and there you are on your WordPress dashboard. Not a lot on mine, it's a fairly new site. All you need to do is go to settings, I believe. Yep, and there is straight right in front of you the change site icon button. Click that, add the icon you want, and you can get rid of that basic default WordPress favicon and put your own in. Your first step towards customizing your own website. That's as long as this video needs to be. So yeah, like, subscribe, buy me a coffee, and I'll be back with more WordPress tips.